Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. It's me Sadia. If you're new here, so welcome to my channel. So I want to say thank you all of you. Finally I got 1k subscribers and this is because of you guys. I want to say bottom of my heart, thank you so much to reach 1k subscriber who shares my videos, like these videos, comment on these videos. So thank you so much guys. And yeah, so I don't know how to express myself, but really guys, thank you so much. So today's video I'm going to review one brand, and this is a Two Faces brand, and from this brand I'm going to review a highlighter, and this is a jelly highlighter. I already apply on my face, but I will show you how to apply, how it's work and how is it. So yeah, let's get start this video now. If you like this video, so please give me a big thumbs up, like, subscribe and share this video. Don't forget to turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss my any video. Let's get started. So I have this Two Faces jelly highlighter, and this is a Bouncy jelly highlighter. Has an illuminating blend of lustrous pearl for a high shine strawberry effect that smells like a fruit. The cooling wet formula feels refreshing, dries weightless and gives an immediate glow that can be used anywhere. So if you can see here, I have this highlighter. This is a jelly highlighter and the color is bourbon bronze. So it's a bourbon bronze, like it's a peach color. And if you open this box, I already opened the box, and I told you guys before, like I already apply on my face and it's look really nice. If you open this, so you can see here, this is a really small bottle, not like a really small, it's a medium sized bottle, and sorry, a jar. And if you open this, so it's come like this. So this is a jelly highlighter, and you can see here. So I'm going to apply a little bit on my hand to show you guys how is it and how it's work. So let me tell you guys, this works really great if you apply a little amount on your cheekbone area. So it gives you a really shine on your face, and you can apply with the fingertips or with your brush, whatever easy for you. So they didn't mention the number here, but after 18 months it's expire. So here I'm going to apply on my cheekbone area, and I'm taking this small amount and I'm applying on here. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I hope you can see. Yep. Okay, let me tell you guys, I already apply a baby cream. I'm not using a foundation. Here I'm using a baby cream. So I applied this highlighter on my face. So you can see how good this jelly highlighter. You can see that I have a shine on my face. I used a lot of jelly highlighters, but this one's, I love it. I like it. I tell you guys that you should definitely use this jelly highlighter. This is a really good. So yeah, that's all guys, and I hope you guys like this short video. If you like it, so please give me a big thumbs up, like, subscribe and share this video. Don't forget to turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss my any video. I'll see you later on my next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, bye bye, take yourself. Allah Hafiz.